Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Matthew, chapter 6, starting in verse 9. You may or may not have heard about the tragedy that has happened in Sri Lanka at the churches there, and also here locally where I live, 2 miles from my church, there was a synagogue that there was a shooting on the last day of Passover. And so our church today kind of did a special service where we were just praying and reading verses, seeing what we can do as a community of Christians to wrap our arms around the Jewish people in the synagogue and as well as those in Sri Lanka. And we just prayed for them. And sometimes when you go through tragedies like this, you just don't even know what you're supposed to pray about. It's just, you don't even know what to say. If you know somebody that goes through any kind of tragedy, sometimes you just don't have the words. And God tells us in the Bible how we need to pray, and that is the Lord's Prayer. And it starts off, Our Father, and we just need to think of God as our Father. He is always there for us. And so that's what I wanted to do for this entry. And I'll just go through and read this verse. It says, Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread, and forgive us our debts, as we also have forgiven our debtors. And let us not into temptation, but to deliver us from the evil one. So today I wanted to use some things that I had in my stash. These are the Sharon Ann collection by Deja Vus, and it's some older scrapbooking stuff that I have, but it's just beautiful for springtime. I have several packs of stickers here. Here's some florals, some borders with some corners, another border strip, and then this has some frames and things, and I'm not sure what all I'm going to use, but I just pulled it all out here. I think I will pull out Our Father using the sticker letters. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here's my final layout, my final spread. I think it turned out really pretty, and whenever I see this Our Father, I will just remember that God is our Father. He's like our Father. He will always be there for us to protect us, and He is there to listen whenever we need to talk to Him, and He will give us wisdom, and I pray that He will be with all those people that were affected by the tragedies that just recently happened. So I hope you liked this spread. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.